In today's video, I will walk you through how to read a stock ticker from Yahoo Finance. To begin, search for the company you want to analyze on Yahoo Finance. In this example, search for Apple and select the stock with the ticker symbol AAPL. Once the stock page opens, you'll be able to see several pieces of information. Start by locating the ticker symbol near the top. In this case, the symbol is AAPL. Next, look at the previous day's closing price. This section shows the price at which the stock closed during the last trading day. You'll also see the daily change in both dollars and percentage. Below that, you may notice after hours information. This section displays the price after the regular trading session has ended. Now, find the market capitalization. This value represents the total value of the company. The market cap is displayed directly on the stock page. If you want to view how the stock price looked several months ago, move to the charts section. Select a time range, such as 6 months. Once the chart updates, move your cursor over the graph to see the price at different points in time. You can also select other time periods, including 1 year or 5 years, to view different sections of the stock's history. Next, locate the volume information. This section displays the number of shares that have been traded. You can also view the average volume, which shows the typical trading activity. If the company pays dividends, you'll find information about dividends and dividend yield. These values are displayed in the stock statistics and summary sections. Look for the PE ratio, which is shown among the key statistics. You can also find the 52-week range, which shows the lowest and highest prices reached during the last year. To view more information, use the tabs available on the stock page. You can select Statistics to see additional values and financials to review the company's financial information. You can also select Analysis to review analyst information. In this section, you'll find ratings such as Strong Buy, Buy, Hold, and Sell. Finally, you can check the chart and the news section to view recent movements and articles related to the stock. By using the ticker symbol, the summary information, the chart, statistics, financials, analysis, and news sections, you can read and review the information available for a stock directly on Yahoo Finance. Thank you for watching.